Hey! What's that face? Huh? What's that face? Huh? What's that face? Alright, go ahead. Pick her up, put her in your lap.
Come here, baby girl. Oh, thank you. Let's see what you got for Christmas.
Get up here a little better. There we
Let's see
go.
what you got for Christmas, huh?
Kira, go on.
What did you get? Look at your present. You want to unwrap it? Like, all right.
Come on, Mom.
What did you get? Oh, she's laughing on the subject. There we go.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Blankie with butterflies. Oh, is that wearing you out? Look how soft it is. Nice. All right, baby girl.